Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Joshua Weissman's perfect pizza. We begin with the dough, the foundation of any great pizza. It's crucial to use excellent ingredients like double zero flour and quality water. You'll combine warm water, yeast, flour, and fine sea salt, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Then, use the slap and fold method for about 1 to 2 minutes. Finally, let your dough rest overnight in the refrigerator. This develops incredible flavor and texture. Once your dough has rested, it's time for the next steps. Divide the dough into 5 equal portions, each weighing around 250 grams. Shape these into tight balls, then let them proof at room temperature for 3 to 4 hours. This crucial step allows the dough to develop air pockets. When ready, gently stretch each dough ball using your knuckles to create a perfect 10 to 12-inch pizza round. Now let's talk about the delicious layers that go on top. For the sauce, blend San Marzano tomatoes with garlic, olive oil, salt, and a tiny pinch of sugar. Simmer this mixture for 3 to 5 minutes until it slightly thickens. For cheese, a blend of Monterey Jack, mozzarella, and Parmigiano offers the best texture and flavor. Remember to choose toppings that enhance, rather than overwhelm, your pizza's overall taste. The final step is baking your masterpiece. Preheat your oven to its highest temperature, ideally 700 degrees Fahrenheit, with a pizza stone inside for at least 1 hour. Carefully slide your topped pizza onto the hot stone using a floured peel. Bake for about 7 minutes, rotating it halfway through for even cooking. Finish with fresh basil, chives, and a drizzle of hot honey for an unforgettable flavor experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.